English. Grade 7.
TypeScript 1.1.1.
Hi, my name is Sopal. I'm in grade 7. I've got short, curly hair. I am from Kampong Saum. I am 13 years old.
Hello, my name is Dara. I'm in grade 7. I've got short hair too. I am from Phnom Penh. I am 13 years old.
Hi, my name is Bopa. I'm in grade 7 too. I am 13 years old. I live near Sopal and Dara, so we're neighbors. They're my friends.
Hi, my name is Wong. Sopal, Dara, and Bopa are my friends. I am from Cambodia. I am 2 years old. I can fly really high. I never take a shower, and I never brush my teeth because I don't have any.
TypeScript 1.1.2.
I am from Phnom Penh.
I am 13 years old. I live near Sopal and Dara, so we're neighbors.
I never take a shower.
I've got short, curly hair.
TypeScript 1.1.3.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. My name is Dara. My name is Dara. I am Dara. I am Dara. I am 13 years old. I am 13 years old. I am from Cambodia. I am from Cambodia. I am in grade 7. I am in grade 7.
TypeScript 1.1.4.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Miss Mom. What's your name?
Hello, Miss Mom. My name is Bopa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Bopa. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Where are you from, Bopa?
I am from Phnom Penh.
Hi, Ms. Mom. I'm a Wong. I'm 2 years old, and I am married. Nice to meet you too.
It's time for class. See you later.
Bye, Teacher Mom.
TypeScript 1.1.5.
He's 13 years old. He's 13 years old. He's in grade 7. He's in grade 7. She's 13 years old. She's 13 years old. She's in grade 7. She's in grade 7. They're in grade 7. They're in grade 7. We're in grade 7. We're in grade 7. You're 13 years old. You're 13 years old. You're in grade 7. You're in grade 7.